Welcome to the third video of Woolit Design Studio tutorials. With this video, we'll be showing how to use the templates in the Woolit Design program. And so here we are beginning in the diagram tab. If you want to learn more about the tools here, in our last video, which I'll link in this video, we went over how to draw these diagrams, use the symbols, various functions that can help you out while you're designing your diagrams. So for this tutorial, I've pre-made some diagrams in the way that I showed in the last video. And now I will show you how to apply them to templates. So what exactly is a template? A template, as you can see here in the information tab, is a pre-made form that you can use to knit different articles of clothing, such as a sock or a sweater. In the future, we'll also be expanding on these options so that there will be more to pick from. But it's really useful if you want to design knitwear, but you don't know how to put together the technicalities of a knitwear shape. So this simplifies that. It's already created the form and layout of it, and you simply have to fill in the design. I'll begin with the sweater template. So you click on the sweater template, you can choose how you want the arms to be attached to the body. I'll pick the stitch sleeves for this round, and if you have any size specifications, you can fill that here. But for now, let's just go back to the program, and now you see that this left side is full of the sweater template. And there's two different viewports. This is like the preview of the sweater and what it looks like. And this is the actual drawing space where you apply your different diagrams. And as we all know, there's different parts of the sweater. So there's different aspects that maybe you want to design the body, maybe you want to design the collar. Then you click on that, and when you move back into this grid, you'll see that the collar is showing, or this is what the arm looks like if that's what you want to start with, or the torso is like this. So this is pretty straightforward. After you've created your diagrams, you can just choose which one you want to apply, and you pick where on the body you want to put it. So this is what that looks like, and as we see pretty quickly, this by accident also applied the design to the arms. We don't want that right now, so what we're going to do is go back and erase this by clicking on it and pressing on the delete button. So now that we're back on the torso, we repeat only on the full torso, which means that both the front side and the back side show the diagram design, and then we apply it like this. And now you can see that this is on the sweater. And if you want to preview it in different colors, you can do that too. Choose the different color variants that you have and play around like that. And then we can place a different diagram that we want on it. And as you'll see here, it is not possible to overlap two diagrams. So if you want to, for example, have the point of this diagram be closer to the other one, you would have to manually make that a part of this design right here in the diagram. You can keep drawing even while you're in the template form. So in order to have this point attached to this, one way to solve that is just to erase that bottom part, and then I will click on the diagram on the shirt, and press down a few times, and voila. Now we see that it's a lot closer in form than it originally was able to do. You can also change the viewport from this view button right here. Here you see the front torso, back torso, left arm, right arm. So that's an alternative way to change the form rather than clicking on this. So now I will add a different pattern to the arms, and I will add it on both arms. Here you see that. And finally, I'll add a color to the collar. You can't draw directly on this, but what you can do is make a new diagram, fill it, and here we see that it needs to be 4 pixels wider, which we can easily do like that. And there you have it. So if you want to just design very simple rows of color, another way to do that is the color row function here. So now I've clicked on the color, and then you have the color row selected, and you can just drag it and drop it where you want it. And there you have it. The color is now filled in. Another thing that is possible is to turn the repeat function off if you just want one of the patterns to be shown. And this might look a little funky in this case, but here's an example of what that would look like. So that might look a bit strange. I'm just going to erase it, and I do that by clicking on the pattern and then the delete tool. And there's that. And so here is the sweater diagram currently. I hope that was helpful for teaching you how to use the sweater template. And if you want to check out more templates, we'll be adding more and more as the program evolves. We also have a sock one. But until then, I hope you enjoy. Tag us in any videos or designs you make, and keep your eye out for the next tutorial video. Thank you so much.